There is a recovery scenario, right? So recovery scenarios means how the work will be processed means observe. Of course, you're in computer audio. May I know who is this? Aarti or Ankita? Aarti. Aarti, you are in web version. You are in computer audio only, but you are in web version. You need to switch to desktop version. You're already installed GoToMeeting, na? So desktop. Just click on that one, just providing this ID, then you can able to join normally. You can't able to hear, you can't able to record the session. That is the only issue. For GoToMeeting password, na? Okay. I just given it to you. Just observe. So, right, during the execution time of ATP will face some problematic situation, right, where it need to resolve by itself by using trigger event. First of all, I will let you know what is problematic situation, how we are going to resolve. Okay, so observe problematic situations are like below. Okay, first one is problem related to the pop-up window. Okay, first one is problem related to the pop-up window. Next, object state, problem related to the test run error, problem related to the object state, problem related to the application flashlight. So how we are going to resolve everything, I will explain you clearly. Okay, first of all, we are going to discuss about the problem related to the pop-up window. So what is meant by the problem related to the pop-up window, how we are going to resolve. Okay, so we are going to discuss that one. So here my task is I want to open a list of orders. Okay, I want to open a list of orders. So if you want to open a list of orders, guys, what you are doing?
Parameterizing.
Parameterizing, exactly. Good, good. Okay, so first hit the record button. Good, guys. Absolutely following. Okay, Windows application, right? So first we need to generate the first one, right? Go to file. Open order. Okay, order number, anything. Click on OK button and stop it, right? So here I want to open a list of orders. So as you said, we need to do the parameterization. Okay, so whatever the list of orders are there, we are going to pass in a data table. Like I want to follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11. Like that. So go to tools, data table. Parameterization means we know already how many times we did. Order numbers only we need to parameterize, right? So parameterize all, parameterize option. Here we need to select orders. Done. Okay and finish. So right now just hit the run button. Okay. So in this situation, just observe. So what happened? Of course, this one is not exist here. But what about the next one? What about the remaining things? Whether it is there or not, we need to know, right or not.
Mhm.
But because of this pop-up window here, we are having an issue with pop-up window, right? This pop-up window. Because of this pop-up window, total execution, the objective is the same, right? Total execution is stopped. Okay, so this is what we are calling as a problem related to the pop-up window. Because of the pop-up window only, we are having some issue, right or not?
Yeah.
How to resolve this issue? Means go to resources, just click on recovery scenario validation. Okay, so here it is the new scenario. Okay, to continue, click next.
Pop-up window.
Yes, here four trigger events are there. Because of what you are having problem, right? So what you said exactly, that is pop-up window. We are having an issue with pop-up window, right? So just select that one and click on next. So next here it is asking me, by using hand icon it is asking me to capture the window title. Okay, so it is asking me to capture the window title, right? Okay, so next. Now I'm going to capture the window title, right? The next. Okay, next click on again next. So here it says what? How to resolve the issue? Do you want to call restart Microsoft Windows? No, I don't. Functional call? No. Close application browser? No. Just what I want to do is I just want to click on keyboard and then click on cancel. But it means I want to do some keyboard or mouse operation. That's enough, right? Okay.
Mhm.
So just have the click on next. So by using this hand icon, which operation you want to do, you just click. So here I want to click on OK. OK was captured, no? Right?
Mhm.
So click on next. So here, after clicking on OK button, okay, next I want to click cancel. Then only further execution will continue, right? Okay. So then add another recovery scenario operation. Do you want to add? Yes. Check this check mark. Yes, I want to add. Next. Same keyboard and mouse operation only I want to do. So with the hand icon, I want to click on cancel button. Observe both OK cancel also capture. So do you want to add any other recovery scenario operation? No, I don't want to add. Click on next button. Observe. Do you want to repeat current step and continue, guys? No. Right? If you want to proceed to the next step, yes, exactly. I
Yes.
want to proceed to the next step. What about the remaining things I want to know, right? So I want to proceed to the next step. Just to click on that one. Okay? And click on next button. So here it is asking me the scenario name. Okay. Add scenario to the current test and click on finish. Before closing it, it is asking me to save it. Okay. Okay, right now I'm going to hit the run button. Right, because of this pop-up window we are having issue, right? It is slowly going into the recovery scenario operation and it is giving the information. Right? Like that, it is going to execute. Okay, so that is what about problem related to the pop-up window. Okay, so like this we can able to resolve this. After that, problem related to the object state. Problem related to the object state means what? How the work will be processed means something. First of all, I'm taking a new one. I'm going to hit the record button. Go to the line. Okay. So that related script is generated, right? So in this situation, by defaultly, okay, so some script object state is this line is missing. Okay. So right now I'm trying to hit the run button. It says object is disabled. Why? Because observe here. Okay, if we enter anything, okay, then only okay, but an object is enabled. But here that particular line is missing, means object state is missing. So that particular script line is missing. Then if we enter anything, then only okay, but an object is enabled. So here is the problem with the object state. How we are going to resolve means observe. Before that one, first we need to create a one notepad. Let's just take a notepad. Empty notepad only. I want to save as a okay. So in a desktop and a desktop I want to save as a Rupali.vbs extension. Okay. So next, what I want to do, same, go to resources, recovery scenario operation. Okay. So just click on new scenario to continue, click next. So here we are having problem with the object state, right? Next. Okay. So by using this hand icon, which object you want to specify? So if you specify this object, then okay, but is enabled, right? Right. So observe here this hierarchy. So by using this one, you are going to write the script manually. Window flight reservation dialog open order widget. Okay, just remember this one. Window flight reservation dialog open order. Click on OK button. Next. Okay. So next again. Next. What do you want to do here? Do you want to call keyboard and mouse operation, close, function call? What do you want? So here we are not going to do keyboard and mouse operation. Means we have to specify the property. So keyboard and mouse operation is not enough, right? So if we close the application process, we are not doing anything, right? So here function call, I want to call it function from this button. So here functional library, we need to specify the, we need to browse the functional library. So right, empty one, right? So right now I'm going to get that empty one. So here it is, right? So it is the recovery scenario function. So here you need to write the whatever you want to write. So here you want to write the script. So earlier we already did this hierarchy like window flight reservation dialog opener, right? How we are going to write the script manually, we know already, right? Okay. So observe window. Let me know flight reservation dot dialog open order dot winedit edit dot set like that. Okay, whatever the thing is that just I just write the window. Okay, so right is here. The next click on next button. So do you want to add any other recovery scenario operation? No, I don't want to add. Just uncheck this one. Click on next. I want to proceed to the next step, right? So it is asking me the scenario name. I just provide some scenario name. Add scenario to the current test. Finish it. And of course, before closing it, it is asking me to save it. Okay, I am just saving it. So right now, just try to hit the run button. So on that situation, it is slowly going into the recovery scenario operation. Observe, and it is getting the value. Just observe again, I just executed. So go to resources, recovery scenario, manager, new scenario, click on next object state, click on next. This object we need to specify. Next, next again, next I want to call a function, right? So I'm going to browse the file, okay, functional library file. Okay, so here I want to specify the values like window flat reservation, hello coconut, everything. So I don't want to add any other recovery scenario question. Next, I want to proceed to the next step. Next, add scenario to the current test. Finish it. Before closing it, it is asked me to save it. I'm just saving. Hit the run button. What happened? It is not executed. It doesn't contact with the recovery scenario operation. One second, I'll check it out, okay? Just a second, guys. What happened suddenly? It is executed. The scenario is also coming up here. Just observe, maybe so many things are there, it is got confused. Yeah, observe, you just enter the data, right? So like that work will be processed. This is what about object state. So next, test run error. Okay, so test run error means what? How the work will be processed means observe here. Actually in the earlier so many things are open, so QTB is getting confusion. So that what I did is just remove everything and only one I just put. Okay. So next, problem related to the test run error. So problem related to the test run error, how we are going to specify it means observe. So here also, first I am going to take a notepad, just save as. dot VBS extension. Okay, so for example, I'm going to generate some script. Okay, I'll just hit the record button. I'm going to generate some script belongs to this. Okay, so I'm going to record something. Okay, stop it. So observe here, same object, the new version is released. Okay, same thing, everything same, updated. So updated bold, that is. Okay, so let's just version is only changing, like version earlier 1.0, it is 2.0, same thing, everything is same. So title, everything is same. So right now I'm trying to hit the run button. So just observe it is executed properly or not. So one second, that recovery scenario is already there, so that it is executed automatically. So here we find an error. So right now, if I hit the run button, just see what happens. So, but actually, when I try to execute this Hyderabad, okay, it gives an error. What type of error? I cannot identify the specified item in the combo box. In the combo box, it's saying that Hyderabad is not there. Because of that one, it is executed. It is stopped the execution, right or not? But actually, I want to know the what about the remaining things, whether it is executed or not. I want to know, right? So how to resolve this issue? So because of that Hyderabad is not found, then only it is stopped the execution, right? So how we are going to resolve that issue means, observe how we are doing means, um, so go to resources, recovery scenario manager. Okay, so click on new scenario. So to continue, click next. Here we are having issue with the test run error. A step in your test doesn't display run successfully, right or no? So here, what type of error you found? List in a item in a list or menu not given. This is a link you found, or item in a list of menu not found. This is or this one. Which one you found? So actual item in a list or menu not found. That is the thing we found, right or no? So then click next button. I want to call a function. Okay, I'm going to browse the functional library. I already saved, right, gaurav.vbs. So I'm going to browse that one. Okay. Here it is. We are not writing anything, just a empty one. I don't want to add. Click on next button. Okay, proceed to the next step. So here it is asking me to save it. Add scenario to the current test. Okay, so same thing. Okay, so right now I'm trying to hit the run button. So just observe the situation. In this situation, you just continue the further execution also. Just answer. Of course, it is just waited. After that, further execution is continuous, right? When I'm trying to execute the Hyderabad, is go to the recovery scenario operation. It is get the information. After that, remaining things. What about the remaining things? It is executed. So this is what about object test runner, problem related test runner. So and the last one. Okay, foremost one is problem related to the application crash. So problem related to the application crash means what? This we can able to see in a live only. When application crash, what we need to do. So when application crash, guys, what we are doing? Simply we reject the bill, right or no? Application crash, it is not even opening means simply what we are doing? We are going to reject the bill. Okay, so like that, work will be a process. Is it clear? So these are recovery scenario operations. Okay, so next we need to discuss about the QC. QC, one more concept is there, quality center. Okay, so quality center, how the work will be process, everything we will explain you clearly in the next session. Okay.
Yeah.
So maybe next session is there or not, I will email you exactly. Okay, guys, just check it out your mails. Okay, if in case tomorrow session is not there, we can meet back on again Tuesday only. Why? Because Monday I'm in a meeting. Okay. Maybe this time not possible. We can meet back on Monday. If tomorrow I'm not possible. Okay, if tomorrow possible, I'll take the session on tomorrow. Okay.
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 Session is there, then only we'll mail you. Otherwise, you can join.
I'm
Okay?
sorry, say that again.
If in case session is not there, then only I will email you. Otherwise, you can join the session. Okay?
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, then
And you
guys.
said another class will be on Tuesday?
Yeah, Monday there is no session.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, yes, we are fine.
Sirisha, I downloaded that link that you sent me.